Today we're making the legendary Central Grocery Muffuletta Sandwich, a true New Orleans icon since 1906. You need to start the olive salad recipe the day before so it has time to marinate. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of giardiniera, 1½ cups of pitted Kalamata olives, 1½ cups of pitted green olives, 1 cup of chopped pepperoncini peppers, 1 tablespoon of capers, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and drizzle in 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Stir until everything is well mixed, cover, and refrigerate overnight. The key to this amazing sandwich is a sesame-topped Italian loaf, so make sure you get yourself one. Slice the Italian loaf in half lengthwise. Spread half of the olive salad generously on the cut side of the top half. Now for the layering. Start with sliced mozzarella, capicola or ham, Genoa salami, mortadella or a good old-fashioned high-quality bologna, and sliced provolone. Now spread the remaining olive salad on the bottom half and carefully crown it with the top. Wrap the whole sandwich snugly in parchment paper and twist the ends. Now tightly wrap in plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour to meld all of these amazing flavors. Enjoy this classic New Orleans Muffuletta sandwich as close as it gets to the real Central Grocery experience right at home. And don't forget your bag of Zapp's New Orleans style kettle chips on the side.